Hey everyone, back again with another video to help you out. This time I'm showing you where the power inverter is on this 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This covers several different years, but if you're having issues with your inverter, your plug's not working, this might be your cause. I don't know what the factory procedure is to make this work in a different vehicle, but I assume that this should just be a plug and play type application. This is being taken from a junkyard for a customer who needs it, so that's the background on it. To remove this, you'll have to remove your center console, both the front portion and the rear, in order to get to everything. Inside the box, you'll have to remove the cover off the bottom and those two 10mm bolts in here, and then you'll have to pull up the center portion where your cup holders are. You'll have to take your plug out here and move your shifter down to a lower gear. You'll have to unscrew the shifter knob and take it off. Raise your emergency brake handle up. The boot stays with the handle. It comes off the back side of the cover here. So when you get that part off and over here, you can come in underneath, over on this edge is where I came in at, with a flathead screwdriver and pry it up on it, and this whole thing just popped off. There'll be one plug on the back side of this, so be careful not to yank on it too much. Just release it here and pull it out to the side, and then I went ahead and started pulling screws up here around the front half of the console, not knowing I didn't need to, but there are locating pins here and here for that top, or for this back half over here, for this back half. So when you reinstall this, make sure you line these two holes up here and here with these two pins over here, and that'll make sure everything's good. But then you don't have to unplug any of this stuff off the box, just pick it up and move it forward. And then your inverter sits down underneath this bracket right here. You'll have two 10mm bolts to remove, and then there's 12 down here on the base of the body here. There's a 12 right here. You'll have these two plugs to remove. You just squeeze the trigger on the side here and on the back side here. I also went ahead and took the 10 out of this ground strap up here to make some room. It actually mounts here to the top of this, so I took that 10 out too, just to make some extra room to get it out of there. And then this whole thing slides out and up from underneath of this. This doesn't come off. So that's how you get this inverter out of your Tacoma. So if this helped you out, drop a like down below, subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, leave those down below too, and I'll help you the best I can. Thanks for watching.